with the 39th example. Figure shows a man of mass 60 kg standing in a light weighing machine kept in a box of mass 30 kg. So mass of the box is 30 kg from a pulley hung from the ceiling through a light rope, the other end of which is held by the man himself. If man managed to keep the box at rest, what is the weight shown by weighing machine? Okay, so if I draw the FBD of the man, so the weight of the man is acting in the downward direction. The reaction from the weighing machine will be acting in the downward direction and tension in the acting in upward direction. Whatever the reaction is nothing but the reading of weighing machine. Reading of weighing machine. So here, as this particular system is at rest, so R plus T is equal to 60G. That is our equation 1. This is the FBD of man. Now let's draw the FBD of the box. So if we draw the FBD of the box, so on the box tension is acting, the action of the man is acting, the weight of the box is also acting in the downward direction. So these three forces are acting: tension in the upward direction, the reaction, and the weight is acting in the downward direction. So again, the box is at rest, so T will be equal to the reaction force plus mg, that is 30 into g. On rearranging, it will be T minus R is equal to 30g, that is our equation 2. Now if we add equation 1 and equation 2, on adding, the reaction force will get cancelled out and you will get 2T is equal to 90g. So T comes out to be 45g. On substituting the value of T in any one of the equation, you will get R equal to, which is 60g minus 45g. So that comes out to be, so 60 minus 45, that comes out to be 15 into g. Okay, and the value of g, if you take value of g as 9.8, so you will get some other answer, and if you get the value of g as 10, so you will get 150. So that should be the answer to this question. Okay, so that is 15g is the answer to this question. Thank you. Second, now, but this is the reaction, which is 15g in Newton, but this is not the question which is being asked here. The question asked is the reading of the weighing machine. So obviously the weighing machine, the reading of the weighing machine is nothing but the force experienced by the machine, that is 15 into g, or if you divide it by g, you will get this in kg weight. So 15 kg weight is the weight of that person read by the weighing machine. That is the first part of this question. Second, what is the force should he exert? Now in the next part it is asked, what force should he exert on the rope to get his correct weight on weighing machine? Okay, now in order to get a correct weight on the weighing machine, he should pull the rope and the box should move with some acceleration. If box moves with acceleration, the pseudo force Ma will act, the reaction will increase, so the reading will also increase. So in that case, again, if I draw the FBD of the man, now tension is acting in the upward direction, the reaction is acting in upward direction, and its weight is acting in the downward direction, while pseudo force is acting in the downward direction. That would be 60 into A. And we all know that the reading of weighing machine is nothing but reaction. So what should be the reading of weighing machine? So the reading of weighing machine is given to us, that is 60g. So if you take T plus reaction, 60g is equal to 60A plus 60g. So 60g get cancelled, so reaction comes out to be 60 into A. Now if you draw the FBD of the box which is accelerating upward, so on the box the reaction is acting, which is 60g in the downward direction, tension is acting in the upward direction, and it is going with some acceleration A. So the equation for the box comes out to be T minus 60 G is equal to mass of the box, which is 30 kilogram. So it will be 30 into A. So in that case, we will get the value of tension as 30A plus 60 into G and put this value of T in first equation. So it will be 30A plus 60G is equal to 60A. So 60G is equal to 30A. So therefore the acceleration comes out to be 60 into G divided by 30. Okay. So this get cancelled and that comes out to be 3G. If I substitute the value of acceleration in equation 1, we will get the value of tension by which the man should pull the string. So it will be 16 into 3G. So that comes out to be 180G, and if you take value of G as 10, so that comes out to be 1800 Newton. So that is the answer to the second part of the question. Thank you.